Hey everybody, so today I'm creating a video that you can use for neck and shoulder pain, tension, maybe feeling a little bit of reduced range of motion. It's really gentle and hopefully you'll find it easy to do. So just to go over a couple of things that we're going to do in this routine. So for the neck, I'm going to be asking you to use the tips of your fingers to massage little circles into your neck. And when we do this technique, I want you to think of like you're just moving the skin layer. So you're not really like pressing hard and like pushing your fingers into your neck. It's just placing your hand gently on the skin of the neck, and we're going to be creating rotation around. So it's going to basically look kind of like this. Okay. Then in the next phase, I'm going to be asking you to kind of massage up and down the neck. Again, I want you to think of just letting the hand gently glide up and down the skin, but we're not like tugging on the skin or pressing really, really hard, as we're going to be adding movements to the going up and down. So again, it's going to be kind of up and down like this, okay? And then another one is we're going to take our four fingers and we're going to kind of wrap our fingers around the neck so that the tips of my fingernails are touching the middle of my spine. So kind of like this, wrapped here. And then my elbow is going to be out, and then I'm going to kind of push my fingers toward the midline as I look at my elbow. So just to say that again, in case you couldn't hear, I'm going to wrap my fingers around. I'm going to have my elbow up, and as I look at my elbow, my hand is kind of guiding the skin toward the midline. Okay? So let's begin. So we're going to take our hands at the base of our neck, at the base of the skull, actually, and we're going to massage little circles as we look up and down. Little circles up and down. And making sure that we're taking nice, slow, deep breaths in. And exhaling through the mouth. And as you're moving, just making sure that you're moving within a range of motion that is comfortable. You can feel like a little bit of discomfort as if you were going like into a stretch, but we're not really trying to create pain. Now we're going to move slightly down the neck, and we're going to do circles again. So you're going to look down and up, down and up. Good. Let's take a deep breath in and then exhale. Up and down. Now we're going to place our hands kind of toward the middle, and as I bend my neck to the left, my right hand is going to kind of pull up as my left hand pulls down, and then I'm going to switch as I go over to the other side. Now again, I'm not really pulling and tugging on my skin. I'm certainly not pushing my neck into the range of motion. My hands are just kind of sliding and gliding as I'm moving my neck side to side. And I'm just kind of trying to facilitate the idea of lengthening on one side and then lengthening on the other side. And now take a deep breath in and exhale. Deep breath in and exhale. And now we're going to do one hand at a time. So I'm going to use my right hand, wrapping my fingers around the neck, and then I'm going to look at my right elbow, and I'm going to push kind of my fingers and skin toward the left, just like this. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, Good. And now we're going to switch sides. And I'm going to be pushing toward the right while you're looking at your left elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Now you're going to take your left hand, place it over your shoulder here. We're just going to lift the shoulder up and lift the shoulder down. Lift the shoulder up and down. Deep breath in. Exhale. Deep breath in. Exhale. And I'm just really placing my hand here, just giving it some contact, gentle contact. I'm not really pressing firmly. I'm just allowing my hand to move with my shoulder and back down. Good. And switching sides and up and down. Up and down. Good. And down. Up and down. Up and down. Good. And I will just do little circles going backwards. Just nice and little. Do a couple of circles going forwards. Good. And then relax and just feel the warmth, feel the muscles, how they worked. Deep breath in and exhale out. Hope you liked this video, and I'll have several more coming through over the next couple of weeks. Take care for now.